यह है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स। इस बारे में आप लोगों के साथ डिटेल्स लेके आए हैं। और आप लोगों ने देखा आज 9 जनवरी 2026 और बेंचमार्क इंडिसेस एक्सपेक्टेड टू ओपन मार्जिनली फार्मर और इन्वेस्टर आई यूएस कोर्ट verdict and legality of tariff. Sensex Nifty share price live. The stock benchmark are poised to open marginally higher on Friday after four straight session of looser on renewed US tariff concern. As investors awaited to US Supreme Court ruling on the legality of the levies letter in the gift Nifty feature were trading at 25,998.50 points as of 8:02 a.m. IST, indicating that the Nifty 50 would open above Thursday close of 25,876.85. Nifty and Sensex have lost 1.7% and 1.8%. respectively in the last four sessions after US President Donald Trump hinted a further raising tariff on Indian goods over New Delhi's and purchase of the Russian crude. The US has already imposed tariff of up to 50% on imports from India, the world's second largest buyer of Russian oil. While New Delhi seeks of finalize a long-awaited trade deal with the Washington stock market live today. Share market live updates. Find here all the live updates related to Sensex, Nifty, BSC, NSC, share price and Indian stock market for 9 January 2026. Stock market live updates today. Securities in the band for the trade date 9 Jan 2026. One sale to small cap. Stock market live updates today. Bharat Electronics Ltd received an additional order worth 596 crore since its last disclosure on January 1, boosting the order book and highlighting the ongoing defense sector demand. Power Grid Corporation of India has been declared the successful bidder under a tariff-based competitive bidding process to establish a new interstate transaction system. Indian Energy Exchange Market coupling the case and schedules for the hearing today at 10:30 a.m. Nepocare Health Service about 1.9 million share 2% of the company's outstanding equity will become eligible for the trading as the shareholder look in period ends the share are the value at 21.1 crore. Bansal Wine Industry about the 31.3 million share 20% of the company's outstanding equity will fire a portrait following the expiry of the shareholder lock-in period. The shares are the value at about the 945 crore. RVNL has received a 201.23 crore contract from its cost railway to set up the Wagon POH workshop at the Kantan Disney in Odisha with a capacity of 200 wagon over 80 months. Sagar Cement has around planned to divest at the 8.14% stake it is the arm and the Cement's thought and the OFs to meet the minimum public shareholding norms. The OFS opened on the January 9 for 9 retail in the visitor and January 12 for the retail investor. Kenan has clarified recent report regarding the extension of the contract sharing. There's the Ministry of the Petroleum and the Natural Gas and rejected the application in September 2025. The company has filed a word petition before the Delhi High Court, which has issued notice to the government and directed all parties to maintain status. Whereas renewable the technologies has received the LOA for a revised project capacity of 404 MWAC. The commercial value of the project has been received the downward to 1039 crore from 1252 crore.